Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I am going to tell you how to customize videos in Kling AI. So let's get started with the video. So once we have logged into this application and on the home page, here you will get an option of text to video at the upper side, or you can click on the plus icon that you will see here and then click on text to video. So basically you need to give a text format prompt for Kling AI here. You can describe anything. For example, I'll write a cat wearing sunglasses, riding skateboard through a sunny city street. You can give any of the prompt here for which you want to generate the video. Once you have given this, what you can do is you need to click on 35 generate that you will see at the lower right side, or you can just upgrade it. If there is any negative prompt, you can click on this plus icon and add it here. Post that, click on this 35 generate over here and the video will get generated. It will start generating the video. Post that, you can save that video. Here at the lower side, you can click on this drop up menu and you will get various options here. If you want it in standard mode, you can choose standard mode. What's the duration of the video, you can choose here. What's the ratio, aspect ratio, you want it in 9:16, 1:1, 16:9. You can choose it according to your need. And variations, some of the variations are available only for the VIP members. Post that, you can click on generate and it will start getting generated. But if you don't have the subscription, you will also get the free trials. So where you can see the saved video is, you need to click on this assets, and here as you can see, the video has been created, the prompt which we have given. So this is how you can customize videos in Kling AI. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.